My name is Alivia Garrett, and I'm from Matthews County, Virginia. The welding class, I was really interested in taking it, and I see my dad do it as a child, and I found interest in it. So I decided to take the free class and learn and try my best. I think I'm gonna go to trade school after I graduate or work in the shipyard. I did not expect to start welding last week. I definitely did not expect to do that. But he did. He started us up and we've been rolling. So they mostly provide you with everything that you need. You just have to buy the boots and the clothes and stuff, and they prepare you and tell you what you have to do and all that stuff. I like the staff and everybody around, and everybody's really nice and helpful. I found my answer at Rappahannock Community College.